CometAPI AI has just been released, and today I'm going to show you 7 crucial things you need to know about this game-changing software. Whether you're a developer or a digital marketer, you'll want to stick around until the end to see why this tool could completely transform your workflow. And yes, you can try CometAPI for free using the link in the description below, so don't miss out on that. First off, CometAPI is an AI-driven software that allows you to access vast data sources for predictive analytics, which can be integrated into your current projects with minimal effort. This is huge for businesses looking to make smarter decisions based on real-time data without having to build complex models from scratch. One of the standout features is how easily it connects with external APIs. You don't need to be a coding expert to take advantage of its functionality. The software handles the heavy lifting behind the scenes, enabling you to leverage advanced AI predictions and analytics without needing a dedicated data science team. When it comes to the user interface, CometAPI stands out by being incredibly intuitive. The platform is designed with non-technical users in mind, making it easy for anyone to jump in and start using the tools. You won't be spending hours trying to figure out how to use it. Everything is streamlined and user-friendly. Another critical point is its flexibility. Whether you're working on a simple project or something complex, CometAPI offers a level of customization that ensures it fits your needs. Whether it's using pre-built models or crafting your own predictions, you have the ability to tailor everything to your specific use case. This makes it versatile for industries ranging from e-commerce to finance. What's really impressive is the speed at which you can start getting meaningful insights. CometAPI doesn't just offer predictive models. It can integrate with your current systems and give you actionable insights in a matter of hours, rather than days or weeks. This speed can be a huge asset in today's fast-paced business environment. Now, let's talk about scalability. Whether you're running a startup or an enterprise-level operation, CometAPI grows with you. The software is built to scale, so as your business grows, your data needs will be handled seamlessly. It's a powerful tool for those looking to future-proof their operations. Lastly, CometAPI offers excellent customer support. If you ever hit a roadblock, their team is responsive and knowledgeable, helping you troubleshoot and get the most out of the software. That peace of mind is priceless, especially when you're trying out something new. So, to wrap things up, CometAPI AI is a tool you should definitely explore. It's intuitive, flexible, and packed with features that make AI accessible to everyone, from beginners to experts. If you're intrigued by the possibilities of predictive analytics, I highly recommend giving it a shot. Try it for free through the link in the description and see for yourself how it can enhance your workflow. And hey, if you're looking for more AI tools that can level up your business, check out the other recommendations I've included below. I've tried thousands of AI software, and these are the ones I stand by. Make sure to check them out after this video.